Alright people, so I'm finding this. I know this is hard to believe. And me would have probably find it hard to believe. But this is real people. I'm finding this. So him nest kind of seems destroyed. And that is why he fell out. That is definitely why he fell out. So I'm going to try to fix it a bit and put him back inside. And hopefully mama can feed him a few more days until he gets stronger. Alright, so it's kind of hard. But I want to show when I get him back down in the nest. You see him? See him? So I try to show when I get him back in. Right in the nest. He gone in the back. Ah! And the blackbird, the blackbird then come up with, hey, leave her. Hey. Oh wait, look like I wrong nest. Wrong nest. On the move. Sorry, wrong nest. Ratty, wrong nest. Wrong nest. Come. Ah. Wrong nest people. The blackbird them might get mad up in the tree. Wrong nest to blow. Sorry little birdie. Sorry. Wrong nest.